everybody, it's Gail from thehappystamper.com. Thanks for stopping by today. I'm excited to share a really beautiful and simple card for you. And today I am going to be using this stamp set, which is stunning. It's called Wonderful Moments. Here is the item number if you're interested. Everything can be purchased over on my Stampin' Up! Online store. There'll be links down below here. But this is a stunning set, and this comes from our annual catalog. I know there's a lot of focus on the holiday catalog. This beautiful set comes from our annual catalog, and the images are incredible, and it goes along with our other stamp set from the holiday catalog, and I can't think of what it's called off the top of my head, but there are so many sentiments in here, and I just love sets that have sentiments and images because I think you just get so much bang for your buck. You can interchange things with different sets, and I really look for sets that offer both, but this is just spectacular. So today I am going to be using the beautiful bride here, and again, this is the item number, Wonderful Moments. I think you're going to really like this set and want it in your collection when you see this card. And I have to preference this with, this is an idea I got from my friend Chris W. She is one of my sideways teammates on the larger Stampaholic team. So I just love her. So that's what I'm going to be sharing with you today. And then I also wanted to share with you just quickly, this is my free kit with purchase for the months, this period, I should say. So I just wanted to share with you that this kit is available to make all 3 of these cards. Everything comes cut, prepped, scored, die cut, everything you see, and it all comes wrapped up looking pretty cute, if I say so myself. But that is yours for free as a thank you gift from me by placing a $40 online order. And yeah, so you can get that and get it in time for all your holidays and have some beautiful cards. So I just wanted to mention that. Also, don't overlook the annual catalog. I think there's so many amazing things available, and they tend to get overlooked. Okay, and then I'm going to be using our Big Shot. So I'm going to start this card off with the Merry Merlot. I'll give you a look at it from that side. This is one of our new in colors, Merry Merlot, and this is an 8.5 by 11 sheet of cardstock. There is the item number if you're interested in that. This is the prettiest cranberry, kind of a mauve color. It's just beautiful, just beautiful. I'm also going to be using the Merry Merlot ink pad, and here is the item number for that. I thought this would be a perfect color for this kind of a card because I know people perhaps might think, well, there's not a lot of weddings, you know, this time of year. Well, I beg to differ. There are, and I am a winter bride myself. Okay, let's start here. So this is an 8.5, or it was an 8.5 by 11 sheet of cardstock that I have cut at 5 1/4. Okay, so again, it was an 8.5 by 11 sheet of cardstock that I cut at 5 1/2, and then all you simply do is fold it in half. I know some of you guys might be new, and so I want to make sure for those of you that perhaps don't understand the whole thing quite yet, that's what we're working with here. Okay, so our card's going to open this way, and that's what's known as portrait style. My next piece is a piece of Whisper White cardstock, and this measures 5 1/4 by 4 inches. 5 1/4 by 4 inches. And this piece we're going to be running through the Polka Dot Basics embossing folder, and I'm hoping the dots will show up here for you, but this is so cute. I just love it. It's a new embossing folder that I think is adorable. You can find that again by using that item number 143709. They just take your whole project to the next level. So let's leave that there for just a moment, and then I'll make my little sandwich here for you. And I ain't talking about the kind that you eat for lunch. Okay, then I've got 2 pieces here. I have used my stitch framelits to cut the white piece, and here is that item number. And again, this is the stitched framelits, and it just makes the cutest little stitching around the top. And then my next piece, my layering piece, this is using layering ovals. And here is the item number. I was going to look up the price. Sorry, you guys, I forgot. And this makes the cutest little scalloped. I used the scalloped piece. Maybe you can see it better there. Okay, and then I am also using our beautiful ribbon. This is our polka dot ribbon, and it is just yummy. Makes me happy. And so I think that is everything. All right, let's bring our Big Shot in here and run this through. I put my embossing folder in here, and don't mind my plates. They were pretty beat up to begin with, but then my girlfriend Chris came over, and yeah. That's when you know you're really friends with someone, when they can just finish off your plates and you don't even care. That's so funny. Okay, and that is using our Big Shot, which I use for just about every project. So look how awesome that is. Isn't that just amazing? I think it just, yeah, it's good. You could use either side, the debossed or the embossed. Love it. Okay, let's start putting this card together. I'm just going to use my snail. And then one other thing I have here, you guys, is our pop dots. All right, so we are going to adhere this to the front. First, though, I want to adhere this beautiful ribbon. It's so soft. Oh my gosh, it's so pretty. I'm going to use a couple of pieces of tape. You could just use your tape runner if you wanted to. But I'm going to put this, how about right about here? And I'm just going to anchor it down like so. And I'm going to cut a smaller piece and just make a little knot here. Because, you know, the people are tying a knot. The gal in the image is tying the knot. I love that. I actually have my niece is getting married New Year's Eve. Isn't that so fun? I love it. That actually was my parents' anniversary too. So kind of funny that she picked that date. I don't think she realized that, but that is what it was. Okay, now we can go ahead and adhere this piece to the front of our card. And let's just get that nicely centered. Oh my goodness, so pretty. I love the colors. I just love the colors. All right, now we're going to bring in this beautiful ink pad, and I'm going to ink this upside down. I've not used this stamp yet, so I'm hoping this is going to come out okay. It's brandy new, just out of the box. And I am going to line this up as best I can. She isn't going to completely fit, and that's okay. She's going to be off a little bit to the one side. And I'm just going to give her a good smush. Ta-da! Perfect! Perfecto. Okay. We're going to turn this over. Adhere this to the front. Oh my gosh, you guys, that's so beautiful. Hold the phone though. I forgot my rhinestones. Pearls would be very pretty on this too. Yeah, just beautiful. Let's see here. Now, my girlfriend, she colored hers. I'm going to get my water brush here. She colored hers with the Stampin' Right, our brush markers. I'm going to use just the squishy method here If I can get it squished in the lid. Okay, I'm just going to use a little of this to color her pretty flowers. I'm really trying to stick to just, you know, simple colors here. And then let's just make her bow the same color. Yeah, just so pretty. Sometimes simple is the best approach. You don't have to always, you know, go overboard. I'm reaching for a Copic here. I don't have a whole lot of our Stampin' Blends, but I've got a little. I don't know that I have that one, so I'm going to use the Skin Tone too from my Copics. And just be careful. I don't know how they'll work with the Stampin' Up! Ink, but I'm just going to be careful, and then I think we'll be okay. That's right. They're fine. They're fine. So pretty. Okay, let me put that back. And then I'm going to pop this up on some dimensionals here. And this card is almost complete. Almost, because you know I can't leave it without bling. Without bling. And let's just get those off. I have my niece's bridal shower this weekend. We have so much going on. Oh my goodness. It is a crazy busy time of year in our house, and I love it. But yeah, even when it's all good stuff, it still can be very you know, stressful, basically. All right, I'm just going to add a few rhinestones here, if I can get them out of my bag. Just the little ones, and I'm going to use my little poker, if you will. And I'm just going to add a few of these. Chris added them in her hair, and I kind of like that idea. So I'm going to add one little one. I'm going to add a total of 3 if I can pick this darn thing up. Oh my gosh, this is so pretty, and it's so simple, but I think just so elegant. Yeah, I really love it. I really love it. So I'm going to turn this over for you and let you take a look at that beautiful card. Oh my gosh, gorgeous. So that is it, you guys. It is just that classic, that simple, that beautiful. I just think it's spectacular. Look at her little, oh my gosh. So thank you again to my dear sweet friend Chris for sharing this card with me. Oops, wrong one. Hold the phone. Here it is. That's using Wonderful Moments, and boy, is that a card or what. I just love it. I'm going to make a bunch of these. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, just leave a comment down below. Let me know. I always get back to you guys. I love getting to know you and chitty-chatting and all that. But there'll be links down below. If you have any questions, let me know. Thanks again for stopping by and visiting with the Happy Stamper. As always, big hugs from me to you. Keep your eye out. I will do some more D-Stash videos. I've got tons of stuff and have had some requests of people looking for products. I was just going to put it out for my garage sale, but I will definitely add a video. Have a great day, you guys. Big hugs. Bye-bye.